See the second stanza now. Henceforth I ask not for good fortune, I myself am good fortune. Henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. Done with indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticisms. Strong and content, I travel the open road. Now see, henceforth I ask not for good fortune, I myself am good fortune. What the poet is telling? He is so happy in his life. His attitude towards his life is so positive. In the first stanza, he tells us about it. That his attitude towards his life is so positive, and that's why, according to him, he is so fortunate person. Fortunate म्हणजे सुदैवी. त्याच्यामध्ये तो कसा आहे? फॉर्च्युनेट आहे, सुदैवी आहे. And that's why he asks not for good fortune. He don't have to ask for good fortune. He don't have to pray for good fortune. Understand? Henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. And that's why I whimper no more. See the word whimper in the glossary. See, whimper means make a series of low, weak, sad cries, especially with fear and pain. What the poet is telling? Henceforth I whimper no more, as he is so satisfied in his life, as he is so happy in his life, he don't have to whimper, he don't have to cry about his life. See, many people are there, they always cry about their lives. They always talk about the sadness in their lives. They always talk about the difficulties, the problems they face in their lives. बरीचशी लोक अशी असतात की ते त्यांच्या प्रॉब्लेम्सवर सतत बोलत असतात. हो की नाही? माझ्या लाईफमध्ये किती प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत, माझ्या लाईफमध्ये किती डिफिकल्टीज आहेत. इच अँड एव्हरी पर्सन हॅज टू फेस प्रॉब्लेम्स अँड डिफिकल्टीज. प्रॉब्लेम्स, डिफिकल्टीज अगदी सगळ्यांनाच आहेत. द पुअर ॲज वेल ॲज द रिच पर्सन. इच अँड एव्हरी पर्सन हॅज टू फेस प्रॉब्लेम्स. अंडरस्टँड? एखादा गरीबातला गरीब माणूस असू दे किंवा श्रीमंतातला श्रीमंत माणूस असू दे, सगळ्यांनाच प्रॉब्लेम्स फेस करायचे आहेत. हो की नाही? सो जस्ट लाईक द अदर पीपल, आवर पोएट टू has problems and difficulties in his life, but his attitude towards his life is so positive, and that's why he whimper no more. He never cries about his life. He never talks about the problems and difficulties what he faces in his life. So what he is telling, I whimper no more, postpone no more. He never postponed whatever he decided. Sometimes the people like we, what we do, उद्या. उद्या हा शब्द तुमच्यासाठी महत्त्वाचा असतो की नाही? उद्या करेन. But our poet, as he is so optimistic, he never postpone anything. तो कधीच पोस्टपोन करत नाही. पोस्टपोन म्हणजे पुढे ढकलणे. आपण म्हणतो ना, आज नाही, उद्या करेन. पण उद्या उजाडतो का आपल्यासाठी? कधी नाही. सो तसंच पोएटने कधीही कोणतीही गोष्ट पोस्टपोन केली नाही. नीड नथिंग. These words tells us that the poet is so satisfied in his life. He needs nothing because he is satisfied. Satisfied, समाधानी आहे. पोएट त्याच्या लाईफमध्ये खूप समाधानी आहे आणि त्यामुळे त्याला कशाचीच गरज नाही. Done with indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticisms. Strong and content, I travel the open road. See? Done with indoor complaints. First of all, see the word querulous. Querulous, the meaning is there in the glossary. See, I am reading. What is the meaning? Querulous means complaining or showing that one is irritated. Irritated, त्रास झालेला आहे. Now see what is the line. Done with indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticisms. The poet is no longer willing to be inside the four walls. He don't want to बी इनसाइड द 4 walls, म्हणजे फक्त 4 walls, 4 भिंतींमध्ये त्याला राहायचं नाहीये. ही वॉन्ट टू गो out, and that's why our title Song of the Open Road. He started his journey on the open road. It means that he is not willing to be inside the 4 walls. Understand? It means that he wants to go out. He wants to travel on the open road. He does not bother of the other people's criticisms. See, we too have the experience of it. Many people are there who criticize us. And see, for me, I called such people as my well-wishers. Understand? Well-wishers म्हणजे आपलं कोणीतरी चांगलं व्हावं असं विश करणारे जे असतात त्यांना वेल-विशर्स म्हणतात. पण त्या वेल-विशर्सपेक्षा आपल्याला क्रिटिसाइज करणारी लोकच भरपूर असतात बघा लाईफमध्ये. काहीतरी आपण करायला गेलो, चांगलं काहीतरी करायला गेलो की नावं ठेवणारी लोक भरपूर असतात, हो की नाही? आणि म्हणून मग आपण कुठेतरी असं माघार घेत असतो की नाही, मला लोक काय बोलतील, म्हणून आपण माघार घेत असतो. बट हिअर द पोएट डज नॉट बॉदर ऑफ द अदर पीपल्स क्रिटिसिझम. He don't care about the other people's criticism. He don't care about the other people's opinion. लोक काय बोलतील, मला काय क्रिटिसाइज करतील, त्याला काही देणं घेणं नाहीये. It means that he never pay attention towards other people. Whatever they want to speak, they can. He never pay attention towards these people. की त्यांना जे काही बोलायचंय ते त्यांना बोलू दे, आपण तर त्यांचं तोंड बंद करू शकत नाही आहोत, हो की नाही? सो आवर पोएट नेव्हर पे अटेन्शन टुवर्ड्स देम. ही लाइक्स टू बी इंडिपेंडंट. ही डोंट वॉन्ट टू डिपेंड ऑन द अदर पीपल. त्याला कोणावरही डिपेंड राहायचं नाहीये. अंडरस्टँड? अँड सी द लास्ट लाईन ऑफ आवर सेकंड स्टॅन्झा. स्ट्रॉंग अँड कंटेंट I travel the open road. How is the poet? Poet is strong enough to face each and every problem of his life. Strong and content. Content, satisfied. How is he? He is satisfied. I travel the open road. And with satisfaction, the poet is traveling on the open road. Understand? Do you understand this second stanza? Okay.